magic snowman. It was a cold Christmas morning. Kathy saw snow everywhere. "Hey Ken, let us make a snowman," she shouted to her brother. Ken rushed to where Kathy was standing and saw the snow too. Both got very excited. They loved to play in the snow. They quickly ate their breakfast and ran out. Kathy picked up some black currants from the kitchen for the snowman's eyes, a moon-shaped potato piece for his lips, and a red cherry for the nose. Once they had finished making the snowman, Kathy said, "He looks very good. I wish he could speak. Let us call Mom." Ken agreed. As they turned around to go inside, Kathy felt a cold touch on her shoulder. Startled, she turned around and saw the snowman standing right behind her. "I am a magic snowman," said the snowman, winking his eyes. He hugged the children. Kathy's wish had indeed come true. Wendys Wish. "What do you want for Christmas this year?" asked Mother. "I would like to have the new princess doll," said Wendy. Mother said, "I am afraid the doll is much too expensive." Wendy cried, "It is the only thing I want." Just then, Wendy's friend said, "I want a cupcake doll." On Christmas morning, I was disappointed because I got a plain doll. All my friends got the cupcake doll. About a week after Christmas, however, each one of their cupcake dolls broke. "They did!" exclaimed Wendy, wide-eyed. "Yes," said the friend. "And to this day, I have my plain doll." Wendy picked her pencil up and scratched out the word princess and wrote the word plain instead. On Christmas, she opened the gift from her mother. She was expecting a plain doll, but what she got was a princess doll. "Wow!" exclaimed Wendy. "Thank you, Mother." "Merry Christmas, Wendy!" exclaimed Mother. God's promise. There was a kind couple. The husband and wife were generous and helped everyone. But they did not have any children. Now, God was happy with them. So He blessed them with a special son on Christmas. One night, God appeared to the wife in a dream and promised that He would take care of the baby. Soon, the wife gave birth to a baby boy. The husband and his wife were very happy. One day, the wife took her son to watch a circus. Suddenly, a lion broke his cage and ran out. The wife and her son got separated in the chaos. She closed her eyes and cried aloud, "Help us, God." When she opened her eyes, Her son was standing before her smiling. He said, "I was lost, but an angel led me to you." The wife's eyes were filled with the tears of happiness. She remembered God's promise in the dream. The flower. It was a sunny Christmas morning. Nona knew it was going to be a beautiful Christmas. She went outside and walked around. She had a beautiful garden. Nona looked at her flowers. She loved flowers and planted them herself. She took great care of her flowers. She even painted the pots. Suddenly, among the flowers, she saw a beautiful flower. "What a lovely flower!" cried Nona. "I wonder what kind of flower it is. I have never seen a flower like this." Nona had another thought. She pondered how the flower got there. "I know I did not plant it," said Nona to herself. Nona looked around the garden. "I wonder if Santa Claus planted it for me," said Nona. Off in the distance, Nona heard a hearty laugh. It was Santa Claus. She was right. Nona waved excitedly and shouted, "Thank you, Santa!" "Merry Christmas!" cried Santa Claus, laughing.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.